choke. The way that I like to do the Ezechiel choke is by using my own gi. So what I would do instead is once I get the left forearm underneath his neck, I'm going to place my 4 fingers inside my gi sleeve. Now I'm going to go ahead and bring this hand over and use it as a knife. So the blade of my hand will come against the side of his neck. As usual, I'm looking to attack this part of his neck here, and the pressure that I'll be able to generate will be much greater than the first variation. So here's how I'm going to do this here. I'm going to control. This time I don't even need to slide all the way to his neck because I'm not going to use any choking action from this hand like this. I'm going to bring it in later. So I start anywhere I want. I just want to lift that neck enough so I can slide my left forearm underneath. So right here, slide the left forearm underneath. Now I'm going to use 4 fingers inside that collar, so inside the gi sleeve. Once I get my 4 fingers inside my sleeve here, I'm going to go ahead and bring that second hand in. Now if I'm fighting my opponent here and I do those steps and I do not control his head while doing so, he will tuck the chin in or he will look away. I'm not going to be able, I'm going to get stuck here with that right hand not being able to come in there. That's a very common mistake. What did I miss there? I missed the head control. So now let's get into the details of the head control, which is the hardest part to learn about the Ezechiel choke. Now once I lift the head, I'm going to slide my left forearm underneath. Now I'm going to use my left shoulder to force James to look to his left side here. My left hand will come in here, 4 fingers inside the sleeve, and now I'm going to bring my forehead against his forehead to keep that head placed like that, to keep him looking to the left, here. Now once I do that, I can let go of that pressure with my shoulder, only after controlling the forehead, and I bring the hand right here to this side. Notice that he's still looking towards his left. Then, and only then will I be able to finish this choke by extending my arms, bringing pressure downward with the blade of my hand against the side of his neck. Let's see that again. I'm going to start right here. Raise it. 4 fingers inside the sleeve. Pressure with the shoulder. Pressure with the forehead so you can release the pressure with the shoulder. Slide that hand to the opposite side. Now I'm going to start stretching my arms. Watch how easy it is to get this choke. All I got to do is move away from my opponent and I will get the choke. Something that will happen quite often with this choke is for my opponent to roll me over as I'm committed with both hands in there. That's fine. As long as I have a good choke in, he's going to tap as soon as he gets on top there inside my guard. So when you have the Ezechiel choke and your opponent rolls you, don't let go. By any means, just go ahead and stick with it and you're going to see it's going to pay off. Now,